Hi everybody, we're at the Seaman Garage to do an installation of the Gate King tailgate adjuster on the new 2020 Super Duty. The Gate King is an amazing product. It lets you adjust the position and angle of the tailgate in 8 unique positions. It's stronger than the factory cable, and it's a very easy bolt-on installation. We're going to show you just how easy it is. Gate King comes in a simple box. Easy to read and follow instructions, very basic. There's basically 2 bolts, a larger upper, a smaller lower, along with a bushing, slide plate, and an Allen bolt. The smaller is 5, the larger is 6. First, we're going to take off the factory cable. To get the Gate King installed, it requires basic tools. A couple of Allen wrenches, a 5mm and a 6mm, a couple of specialty Torx bits with a 6-point star. On the Ford, it's a T45 and a T50. You're also going to need a screwdriver to install the safety mechanism for the pivot on the tailgate to ensure the tailgate stays locked in all positions. Let me show you how easy it is to install. The top bolt is larger. It's a T50 Torx bit. Make sure your tool is inserted all the way. And on the bottom, I'll finish that in just a moment, it's a T45. Again, make sure you're nice and square, not stripping anything out. And of course, we're only doing one side, so the tailgate is still held up when this is removed. So when the Gate King is packaged, it's packaged flat. You're going to need to rotate it over. The arm is going to face up and towards the center of the bed. If you follow the instruction sheet, you'll see the hardware configuration is very easy to follow. You've got the large bushing, the large bolt, and slide plate. Bolt goes through the slide plate, through the arm, through the bushing, and up here against the bed, the large flat washer, and that is going to install very easily into the bed. And again, on the Ford, this is a 6mm Allen. Slide plate needs to lay flat. And we're going to make that snug. Now you do want to use a little thread lock on this bolt to prevent it from backing out with road vibration. Now we're going to attach to the tailgate. Now on the Ford Super Duty, typically you use the slide plate facing towards the bed, the smaller bolt, smaller bushing, and it installs. Now there is a washer adjustment if you have a clearance or interference issue, because every truck goes together ever so slightly different. So in some cases, you'll eliminate the slide plate and replace it with the washer. Again, you're going to put the bolt through the washer, through the arm, through the bushing, and into the same threaded insert in the tailgate where the cable came off. And this is a 5mm Allen. And we're going to tighten this up. Now the washer is oversized so that it goes around the bushing, so that when it's snug, it's still free to pivot when you're opening and closing the tailgate. Now that we've got both arms installed with a simple 4-bolt installation, we want to secure the tailgate. If you've ever removed your tailgate, you'll know that you tilt it at 45 degrees and you pull out the passenger side to remove the gate from the truck. Well, we need to prevent that from happening in the adjusted position. So Gate King provides a clamp. It goes around the pivot point, nothing complicated whatsoever, and that is going to tighten down. I'm going to tighten it down from the front, and that prevents it from popping out in its multiple adjustable positions, and that is going to complete our installation of our Gate King tailgate adjuster. You know, I bought my truck, and I didn't buy the cheap one. I bought the nice one. I bought the one that does the job. And I love outfitting my truck with things that complement that truck and what I'm doing with my lifestyle. The Gate King tailgate adjuster is available for all new model trucks going back about 15 or 20 years. Chevy, Ford, Dodge, Toyota, Nissan, you name it, Gate King Tailgate Adjuster has got you covered. When you get yours and you're out having a good time, don't forget to send us a message and give us a review and let us know how you're living the life with your Gate King Tailgate Adjuster.